Congratulations, you're all set up with TaskFlow. Your projects are organized, your tasks are clear, and your deadlines are right where you can see them. No more jumping between tools. No more losing track of what needs to be done. Now you can focus on moving your work forward, one task at a time with total clarity. Watch your progress build as tasks get completed and projects move closer to the finish line. That's the power of a simple, structured workflow. And this is just the beginning.
Invite your team, collaborate in real time, and keep everything moving smoothly together.
With TaskFlow, you stay organized, hit your deadlines, and actually finish what you start. Welcome to a better way to work. TaskFlow, clarity in every task, progress in every step.